Try turning on Find My iPhone, but it's grayed out. Here's how to fix it. First, check your location services restrictions. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down a little and tap on Screen Time. Then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Under the Privacy section, find and tap on Location Services. Make sure that Allow Changes is selected. If this setting is restricted, it may stop you from turning on Find My iPhone. After that, go back to the main settings page and check if the Find My iPhone option is available now. If it's still grayed out, try turning off Stolen Device Protection. From the main settings page, scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. If asked, enter your iPhone passcode. Then scroll down and tap on Stolen Device Protection. At the top, turn off the toggle next to Stolen Device Protection. Go back and check the Find My iPhone option again. You should now be able to access and enable it. If it's still not working, restart and update your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button. Right after that, press and hold the side button until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. Let your iPhone restart completely. Once your iPhone turns back on, unlock it and open Settings. Scroll down a little and tap on General. Then tap on Software Update. Make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version. Sometimes older software versions can cause issues like this. And that's it.